just introductory session, and I will try to cover especially university vision, department vision, and mission. So lots of things I have to discuss with you guys. Okay, uh, there is any issue? Just a minute. Okay, so here I'm just going to share my screen. So online students, just let me confirm that is it visible or not. Is it visible for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So first session is around. We will start the particular session of the related with the course would be start from the tomorrow. At the same session, same timing. I think timetable is with you, so you guys can check timetable easily. It's a film appreciation, right? So it's a topic related with the film appreciation. It's a part of theoretical subject. Okay, so I will share the content with you. So we are aware about that. Okay, myself, Vipin Sharma. Okay, and I'm not a technical guy. First of all, I'm a person who belongs from the painting background, right? And I'm just giving my little info about my past experience. I done masters in drawing and painting. Then I start my professional career as an instructor in lots of animation popular institutes on all over India. So uh, yes, what's the name? So you guys are in animation and VFX? Yes, sir. All three? Okay. So join me. You guys in a offline mode, you are having on MS Team or not? Having. So just take chair. Okay. So I did masters in drawing and painting. Then I start my career in an animation institute. I served almost all the popular brand you know about in animation institutes like Mac, Dreambox, Arena, both, both, right? So I have around 13 to 14 year experience in animation pre-production. I done several freelance work for lots of projects, like known projects as a pre-production artist. So what exactly pre-production was, technical terms for the pre-production, what we do in a pre-production, and we will discuss in some another sessions. Right now, so it's just a brief intro. I belong from my hometown is Jhansi. My birthplace is Jhansi, and I shifted to Delhi in 2007. Right. So it's just a brief intro about myself. So let's begin with the it's a vision, mission, and core values of the university, right? So what's the vision of the university? It's a mandatory session we have to take. Okay, it's related with the vision, mission, course, curriculum about, right? So the to serve the society by being a global university of higher learning in pursuit of academic excellence, innovation, and nurturing entrepreneurship. Mission of the university: transformative educational experience, enrichment of educational initiatives that encourage global outlook, develop research, support disruptive innovations, and accelerate entrepreneurship, seeking beyond boundaries. Core values: integrity, leadership, diversity, and community. Vision and mission of the school: the media, film, and entertainment. So, this is your school, School of Media, Film, and Entertainment, right? So, it's Department of Mass Communication, right? So, is it clear? So your school is School of Media, Film and Entertainment, and the department is Mass Communication, right? And in a mass communication, we are in a animation and VFX, right? Vision of the school: to serve the society by being an internationally recognized school of higher learning in the field of media, films and entertainment by means of academic excellence, innovation, outcome-based learning, and nurturing entrepreneurship. What's the mission of the school? The mission of the school to create a stimulating, flexible, and application-based learning environment for students as well as faculty, to provide the necessary platform to impart skills and knowledge related to journalism and mass communication, to create brilliant professionals by imparting a blend of theory and more practical lessons through state-of-the-art infrastructure. To leverage research to form strong industry, academia linkages, core values, innovation, awareness, information, and ethics. What's the program educational objectives, PO? So in animation and VFX, now we are talking about the animation and VFX. Program educational outcome objectives. Okay, so demonstrate professional, social, and entrepreneur skill related to animation and VFX and entertainment industry. Program support the animation and VFX entertainment industry as competent, trained, and qualified workforce. PO3 prove themselves as competent, trained, and qualified artists and designer in the animation, visual effects, e-content development industry. PO4 mark a difference in the concept design, visual communication, storytelling, graphics, animation, and VFX and related industry as competent, trained, qualified artists. Is it okay, guys? This is your program outcomes. Domain knowledge in graphics, animation, and VFX. Apply the knowledge of storytelling, script writing, storyboarding, concept design, editing and compositing, visual effects, and other disciplines of animation and VFX. So these are the few specifications in the animation industry, what we do in animation when we complete our course. So how many options we have and where we can serve, right? Communication skill. Exhibit high level of verbal and non-verbal forms of contemporary communication skills along with creative skill of creating new narratives. Modern tool usage. Demonstrate skilled uses of modern tools and techniques to effectively communicate with the target audience. It's related with your actually what we do in animation. We just communicate the ideas, we just communicate the design, we just communicate the stories, right, in a visual form. So, as an artist, what's the responsibility of us that we have to create some visuals which the common person who is wandering here and there in a life, right? So they are not able to picturize the things, right? And we have to understand the particular the problem of society that they have and very good ideas, but they are not capable to show them with the in a form of picture, right? And as an artist, uh, we have a capability, then we can create visuals with the help of thoughts. So the client having ideas, right? Sometimes our client is having very good ideas, but they are not able to create in a visual form. So they hire us. Is it clear? क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है, एक रिक्शा वाला भी अगर हम बात करेंगे तो वो आपको आइडियाज दे सकता है. मेरी बात समझ में आ रहा है ना? बहुत इजी है. आप किसी से भी पूछोगे बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्म्स नहीं देखी, कौन सी नई फिल्म आनी चाहिए, किस टॉपिक पे बनना चाहिए, वो भी बता देगा कि यार कुछ ऐसी फिल्म बनाओ या ऐसा कुछ करो या कुछ नया होना चाहिए, राइट? सो लेकिन वो क्रिएट नहीं कर सकता, राइट? सो हमारा काम क्या होगा? एज एन आर्टिस्ट वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ विजुअल इलस्ट्रेशंस, विजुअल एलिमेंट्स, एंड फॉर क्रिएटिंग विजुअल we are using some tools. We need some tools. So we need to understand the tools. Like we have lots of tools. The very beginning with the we start with the very important tool and the element of tools. We can say visual element tool is kind of pencil and the paper and the pen. We can say, right. So that's the very start beginner, and then after that we have another specific tools for the visual, right, like Photoshop, like Paint, or like any kind of Canva. There's a lots of free applications we can find out on app stores, right? And there would be a, then we enhance our skill, then we have an animated softwares like 2D, so we can go animate CC, right? We have another software for 3D animation, so we have an Max and Maya, right? It's easy to understand or not? I'm easily communicate myself or not? right?
Yes, sir.
So guys, the important part is that in a animation industry that we have to understand the requirements of the client. Anyhow, right? We are very good artists, but we are not able to communicate. मैं बहुत अच्छा आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मैं बहुत कुछ बना सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं उसे समझा नहीं सकता. So वो एक issue हो सकता है. That's why the part of communication skill is most important thing. Otherwise, there is no issue for as an artist. There is no issue for communication, right? कोई साउथ से हो सकता है, कोई नॉर्थ से हो सकता है, किसी का हिंदी बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है, किसी का इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है, लेकिन in the end we have to be an artist. An artist can communicate in his particular language. Artist का अपना एक language होता है, right? और वो language कौन सा होगा? उसका visual create करने वाला language, right? जैसे I have to describe one thing that I need an apple in a China. I don't know what we called in a China apple. उसको apple बोलता है, कुछ और बोलता है, I don't know, right? So अगर मैं draw कर सकता हूँ, so I can easily communicate, right? So picture is the most important thing, but on the other hand, definitely we have to be good communicator also. Sometimes we have to understand about the requirement of client, and we have to communicate according to the requirement, right? So we have on several projects on a different languages. We have to work out on that, right? So it's a part of communication skill. Then the modern tool usage. So again, the part of tools demonstrate skilled usage of modern tools and techniques to effectively communicate with the target audience. So as I told you earlier that the modern tools, it's updated on daily basis. We have to update, right? So there would be lots of challenges as an artist or 3D artist. Industry is growing day by day, so definitely several tools comes. Okay, like we start our career as a pencil artist, sketching artist. We have to understand about the importance of pencil. Nowadays, we are the toddlers or the young kids start working on a pad, iPad. So they have a digital pencil, right? So tools is growing, expanding, right? So we have to be updated also as soon as possible. If we are a very good updation we have, then we have to update with the new technologies, right? So we are trying to update myself, and you have to try also. Okay, so हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैं अपडेटेड हूँ और मैं आपको अपडेट कर दूंगा, राइट? मुझे भी अपडेट करना होगा और आपको भी अपडेट करना होगा, एंड दैट्स द चैलेंज ऑफ एनिमेशन इंडस्ट्री. इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर भी अपडेट होंगे और टूल्स भी, गैजेट्स भी अपडेट होंगे. सो इन फ्यूचर वी हैव टू बी अपडेटेड आवरसेल्फ as you as me, right? So I'm just here to share my experience, nothing else. जैसे आप लोगों वैसे ही मैं हूँ. अगर कोई नया टूल आज एडवांस कहीं लॉन्च किया जा रहा है और वो एनिमेशन फील्ड से रिलेटेड है, सो डेफिनेटली आई हैव टू बी चेक इट आउट एंड यू हैव टू बी चेक इट आउट. हो सकता है आप पहले चेक करो, आप मुझे सजेस्ट करो कि सर ये वाला टूल ज़्यादा बेटर है अभी, राइट? सो इट्स जस्ट एजुकेशन इज लाइक अ शेयरिंग. अभी हम वो उस क्लास में नहीं है कि वी आर नॉट ऑन अ प्राइमरी सेक्शन कि मैं एक बुक लेके बैठूंगा और एक बुक खोलूंगा और आपको बोलूंगा नोट करना शुरू करो, आपके एग्जाम में आने वाला है. इट्स नॉट द पार्ट लाइक दिस. ओके, सो बी अवेयर अबाउट दैट. Problem solving skills. So identify, formulate, research and analyze the problems and reach logical conclusions and solutions to solve real life problems and challenges. Okay, so it's on a both side, on the client side and sometime in our learning process too, right? So in a research, definitely in a learning process we have to work out on a research process, right? And on the other side, when we are as a professional, we work in future, so we have to understand the client requirement, then we have to research on that. Okay, so research को हम कभी भी क्विट नहीं कर सकते. एज एन आर्टिस्ट रिसर्च हमेशा हमारे पार्ट में रहेगा. अभी आप लर्निंग प्रोसेस पर, देन आपको वो करना पड़ेगा. जब आप प्रोफेशनल जाओगे तब आपके पास क्लाइंट के सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, टॉपिक्स होंगे, कंसेप्ट होंगे, आइडियाज होंगे और हमें प्रोजेक्ट्स को करना होगा. सो यू हैव टू बी गुड इन अ रिसर्च. ओके, then value, ethics and contribution to society, right? So definitely that's the very importance of societies, that as an artist we have to deliver some important things to the society too. So understand the importance of values and ethics in the field of animation and VFX production and the morals of serving the society and community for sustainable development. So definitely scientists work out about that. The society have to change and we have to do something. So लोगों ने vaccine बनाया, right? So scientists work out on that because in a pandemic situation, lots of doctors, physicians, scientists, they are working for that. So what we do as an artist, what's our responsibility for that? So as an animation artist, हमारा कोई रोल हो सकता है वहाँ? बिल्कुल, उन्हें जरूरत पड़ी हमारी. अगर आप देखोगे, so they just create a vaccine. In small town, maybe there would be a factory or kind of thing, but they have to communicate. So they need pictures. गांव वालों को नहीं पता है ना, rural areas of India or rural areas of, so they need illustrations. So definitely they want a sketching artist or they want a artist who can represent their ideas to the common public. So they need some illustration, they need some visual effect, right? So they need a short films for that, for the information, right? So is it clear now? तो हमारी जरूरत वहां भी है. So as an artist we have to deliver some important thing for the society too. So that's our responsibility. कुछ लोगों ने NGOs के थ्रू काम करते हैं, so they cost free, right? So एज एन आर्टिस्ट ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज छोड़ सकते हो सोसाइटी को लेके, हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी पड़ती हैं, राइट? सो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि साइंटिस्ट काम कर रहे हैं हम नहीं कर रहे. अगर वो एक चीज़ बनाते हैं, मेडिकल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर अगर आप देखोगे, सो देयर वुड बी एन एनिमेशन एजुकेशन, बोथ, दोनों जगह ही एक आर्टिस्ट और एनिमेटर की जरूरत पड़ती है. Who served as a graphic designer, who served as an animator, who served as a 2D animator, who served as a motion graphic artist, but we need, society needs an artist. आप, हाँ, बहुत सारा लोग बोलते हैं कि बड़े होके क्या बनेगा, बोला आर्टिस्ट बनेगा, तो आर्टिस्ट बन के क्या करेगा? भाई बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि आर्टिस्ट बन के क्या करेगा, तो एनिमेटर बने, एनिमेटर क्या क्या काम करता है? सो कार्टून बनाएगा, कार्टून फिल्म बनाएगा बच्चे के लिए, राइट? यही होता है ना. अगर आप अभी भी अपने बहुत सारे रिलेटिव्स को बात करोगे, तो they have a specific knowledge about the animation industry and they think that if you are working in an animation industry, so you are just creating cartoons for the kids. तो फिक्स है वो लोगों के दिमाग में. तो मुझे नहीं पता आप लोगों से हो सकता है वो आप फर्स्ट जनरेशन हो अपनी फैमिली का हु इज स्टार्टिंग योर करियर और फ्यूचर इन एनिमेशन और स्किल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. सो यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. मे बी पॉसिबल कि आपकी फैमिली में कोई ऑलरेडी इस फील्ड से रिलेटेड हो एंड दे नो अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, दे नो अबाउट द प्लेटफॉर्म्स. मुझे नहीं पता. सो मेरी फैमिली में मैं अकेला हूँ जो मैं आर्ट फील्ड में हूँ, राइट? आप लोगों की फैमिली में हो सकता है आपको प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करना और यू हैव टू प्रूव योर फैमिली दैट द फ्यूचर इज सिक्योर एंड आई हैव टू वर्क आउट एज एन आर्टिस्ट एंड आई कैन सर्वाइव, नो इशू इन दैट केस. अगेन द इशू ऑफ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कई बार कि क्या हो रहा है, बट इतनी जल्दी पॉसिबल हो सकता है भाई. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, एजुकेशन हमेशा एक शेयरिंग बेस पे चलता है और जैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करोगे मैं आगे शेयर करूँगा. ओके, सो अभी तो मैं खैर आपको कम्युनिकेट कर लेता हूँ इसके साथ में, देन विल सी कि क्या होता है. देखते हैं. सो अगेन नेक्स्ट point is leadership, management and entrepreneurial traits. Display team spirit and include leadership traits to contribute individually as well as in a team or group of creative professionals. So innovation and research related skills. Identify, formulate, research and analyze the literature and problems and reach logical and innovative solution and conclusions. Lifelong learning. Develop into lifelong learner and constantly updating with current knowledge, skill and technologies. So I already described about that. This point is very important, that develop into lifelong learner, okay, and consistently updating with the current knowledge, skills and technologies. So I already described about that. technology is updating on a daily basis, so you have to update it yourself. Okay, uh, वो आप लोगों को धीरे धीरे चीज़ों के साथ अपडेट रहना पड़ेगा. What's the new movies comes out, where the VFX using, right? Industry is growing in a North or South India or any other country. Where is the scope of animation or VFX industry, right? So you guys have to be updated yourself on daily basis through online portal or Google or lots of options with you. And we are here to share our experience, and you guys have to share your experience too. Okay, so it's just a sharing knowledge. So expertise in the field of creative development, visualization, animation, and VFX. Applied proficiency in the disciplines related to media and entertainment industry. Is it clear? Right. So, and another topic already you guys have to be shared with the on your MS team. Uh, like related with the syllabus. I'm talking about the syllabus. Is it already shared with you? I think, right? So the topic is film appreciation. So I have just give you a very brief knowledge about the film appreciation, how we conduct the session, and what we do, right? So which I shared the information is related with the university vision mission and the स्कूल प्रोग्राम्स आउटकम, राइट? कि जब हम कोर्स करेंगे तो क्या क्या चैलेंजेस हमारे साथ रहेंगे और हमें किस तरीके से अपने आप को अपडेट करना है. सो दैट वाज द सेशन रिलेटेड विद द यूनिवर्सिटी विजन मिशन एंड द स्कूल विजन मिशन. इज इट ओके? Anyone having any doubts or queries? Is it okay now? I think there is nothing like that. So you guys have to check it out through internet also. There would be a session, and I think new syllabus that there would vision and mission of university and the vision mission of school is already there. Okay, so the topic is film appreciation. So the name is justified as the topic, film appreciation and analysis. So analyze, it means you have to be very much updated with the film industry, right? So film, there will be types of films. So live action film, 2D animation film, 3D animation film, right? Short films, advertising films, right? So there will be a lots of option of films. कितने लोग फिल्म देखना पसंद करते हैं? और कितने फिल्म नहीं देखना पसंद? सॉरी, कार्टून फिल्म्स देखना पसंद है, एनिमेटेड. और कितने लोगों को पसंद है फिल्म्स? Are you comfortable in English or Hindi both? English or Hindi both? Okay. So actually there is no option for you guys right now because you already joined animation and VFX, so you have to be take your interest in animation movies. anyhow अभी इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं वो बात बाद में निकल जाएगा. मूवीज देखने की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो अभी इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो भी आपको क्रिएट करना है. और उसके बाद वी विल डिस्कस ऑन दैट अबाउट दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट फिल्म एंड व्हाट वुड बी द प्रोसेस. दैट्स द अनदर टॉपिक, राइट? सो फिलहाल अभी जो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होगा वो होगा कि आपका अपना इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं है तो क्रिएट करो, ठीक है? वो अब आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, राइट? तो आप कार्टून फिल्म्स देखते हो, कार्टून फिल्म्स के अलावा भी आपको बहुत सारी फिल्म्स देखने हैं, लाइव एक्शन बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स, ठीक है, साउथ की फिल्म्स. व्हाई वी फोकस ऑन द साउथ इंडस्ट्री, साउथ मूवीज, एंड व्हाई वी आर as an animation or VFX, where we have to focus on South industry. Why? Give me a specific one reason.
प्रॉपर एनिमेशन हो नहीं रहा है उसमें.
मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है कि why we as an animation guy, animation and VFX part, so why we focus always on as an Indian South industry, South films?
उसमें एक्शन ज्यादा होता है.
Definitely, there would be a lots of VFX in it. एक शॉर्ट फिल्म अगर आप उसका एक छोटा सा एक पार्ट देखोगे तो वहाँ VFX बहुत ज़्यादा लगेगा आपको करने के लिए। एज अ VFX आर्टिस्ट डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दैट कि कहाँ VFX हो रहा है, जहाँ नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ फोकस करोगे तो आपको पता ही नहीं लगने वाला है कहाँ हो रहा है VFX की जरूरत है। तो उनका जो फिल्म का तरीका है बनाने का और बहुत ज़्यादा VFX यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट। एनिमेशन वाले कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Where is the importance of animation? So there would be a difference in animation and VFX. Is it clear now? Right? Any doubt in it? There are two separate sections, animation and VFX, right? So I don't know if you are very much clear or not, because there are separate industries for animation. There is a lots of option in animation, and there is a VFX industry, so there will be a lots of option for VFX. So there would be a specialization. So there would be some specialized students who work with the animation. So there would be a lots of options on that, like modeler, texturing, rigging, lighting, right? Animation. Okay, so that this is a part of animation, 3D animation. This is your session. What's the name?
Gautam Singh Negi.
Gautam Singh Negi. What's the time? So you are in an online session. Okay. Next time you हाँ हाँ नहीं रिटायर share only. Okay, so you guys have to read out something. You have to create your theoretical knowledge, update it on daily basis. First of all, you have to understand about the animation industry. There would be an animation and two division, 2D and 3D, right? So what's the scope in a 2D animation and what's the scope in a 3D animation? Then you have to understand about the VFX, what's the VFX do, and what's the need of VFX artist, which kind of skill we have to develop for the VFX artist, and which kind of skills we need for animation, which kind of skill we need to develop for 2D animation, right? So there are the separate sections for every streams, right? So definitely you have a lots of options for that in future, but you have to be specialized. We have to work out in a team. Okay, is it clear? आप ऐसा नहीं है कोई साउथ की फिल्म नहीं बनेगी कि आप अकेले खड़े हो गए और आपने रजनीकांत की तरह वो स्क्रीन दिखता है ना वो मूवी में वो हाथ इससे यूं आ गया टैप किया और मूवी बनना शुरू हो गई, यहाँ एक कंप्यूटर काम कर रहा है यहाँ दूसरा कंप्यूटर काम कर रहा है, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, इट्स अ होल टीम वर्क. सो मॉडलर अलग ही होगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपने यहाँ टच किया यहाँ मॉडलिंग होना शुरू हो गया जैसे मूवीज में दिखाते हैं, यहाँ एक ऑप्शन क्लिक किया उसका एनिमेट हो गया, आपने कैरेक्टर को ट्रांसफॉर्म किया यहाँ से बस जस्ट क्लिक और यहाँ दूसरा कैरेक्टर बन गया. सो यू सी इन अ मूवी इट्स आयरन मैन, याद है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कभी भी कि आपने पैर ऐसे किया और वो एक मॉडल बन के तैयार हुआ पैर में आगे मिक्स हो गया, ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. अभी इतना अच्छा टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है स्पेशली इंडिया और पीछे एनिमेशन वीएफएक्स के मामले में. तो वी कैन जस्ट क्रिएट, वी कैन जस्ट इमेजिन, वी कैन जस्ट प्रूव दैट कि आपको वहां दिखेगा ओके ऐसा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वो रियल लाइफ से बहुत दूर है. तो व्हेन वी गो ऑन अ मेकिंग प्रोसेस वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिकल पार्ट, क्या पॉसिबल और क्या पॉसिबल नहीं, right? So as an animation and VFX student you have to just check out the films and you have to be a good critic also. आपको वहाँ क्या अच्छा लगा क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा, right? तो आपको वो देखना है और you have to mark it, notepad तैयार करना है. So that's the part of film appreciation. Always not appreciate every film. Sometimes we have to criticize it. So as an artist, but as an artist, हमेशा एक word use करो as an artist. There is a separate section for artist and the tool operator. Tool operator is a person who can use Photoshop, who can use Maya, Max, and any tool. वो कुछ भी tool operate कर सकता है. But the artist is a person who can visualize, who can create, who can use the tool according to the requirement of the client. दूसरा कौन होगा? एक टूल ऑपरेटर का काम क्या होगा? जैसे मैक्स माया आता है, मुझे नहीं पता आप यूज करना क्या है. तो दे नीड अ डायरेक्टर और क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. वो उसको आएगा, उसको सजेस्ट करेगा ओके ये बनाना है, इसको रेड कर दे, इसको येलो कर दे, इसको बड़ा करो, इसको साइज को प्रोपोर्शन छोटा कर दो, इसकी आंख बड़ी लग रही है, यू आर नॉट डूइंग द गुड मॉडलिंग, यहाँ आपने प्रोपोर्शन खराब किया है या रेशियो खराब है, So you are not an artist, you are just a tool operator, because the person who is representing you, the creative director who don't know the Max and Maya, so you would be there. But anyone can replace you in future when the person who comes with a particular artistic knowledge and who is good in our Max and Maya technical tools also, who is the guy who easily replaces you. Is it clear? So don't be a good tool operator. Don't be sit like this कि okay मुझे नहीं सीखना है यार, मुझे नहीं पता आर्टिस्ट बनना, मुझे तो Maya Max सिखा दो बाकी मैं कर लूँगा, आप नहीं कर पाओगे. But there is a certain growth for them. क्योंकि जैसे ही कोई दूसरा बंदा कहीं आपसे बेटर आया और उसके पास आइडियाज भी हुए, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन स्किल भी हुआ, तो वो क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर की पोस्ट पे आएगा और वो टूल्स भी ऑपरेट कर रहा होगा, आइडियाज भी शेयर कर रहा होगा, एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट फॉर यू गाइस. ओके, to be a good artist, be a good designer, always I suggest you that. Okay, for lifelong learning, my experience is that in India there's a lots of tool operators comes out on daily basis, because lots of students in animation and VFX industry especially, they are not giving any kind of entrance test. You guys given any entrance test for the admission? No, nah. So there is just a formal interview kind of thing. But if you want to apply in Canada or any film industry, film institution, huge film institution like Canada or Philippines or US, so there would be a entrance test kind of thing. You have to create a portfolio first. You have to submit a portfolio. Portfolio is related with your design, skill, drawing, technical knowledge, right, tools knowledge. Then they will finalize the short of students, and then you have to be admitted for the student as an animation or VFX. So, but in India there is a challenge. There is a challenge for me. There is a challenge for industry to hire you. Why they hire you? You are not able to create anything. Okay, guys. So, be an artist, be a designer, be a critic. So you have to be focused on the films on daily basis. Check it out, new films, कौन सी नई फिल्म्स आ रही हैं, क्या अपडेशन आ रहा है फिल्म में, कौन सा टूल्स प्लान कर रहे हैं, VFX कितना हो रहा है, 3D एनिमेशन कितना यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट. सो एज एन स्पेशलिस्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिकल पार्ट. कहाँ लॉजिकल एनिमेशन है, कहाँ लॉजिकल नहीं है, स्टोरी टेलिंग कैसा है, स्टोरी टेलिंग अच्छा है, बेकार है. ओके, तो बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स होंगे. So we will discuss, we will cover the whole points one by one in the session of film appreciation. That is the brief of about the course film appreciation and analysis. Is it clear? Okay. So